Actually half marathon lang siya. This will be from Robinson's Place to Dalipuga Highway. This will also bring in a lot of participants from the neighboring cities of Iligan City. We also have, of course, one of our biggest dance events, Kaning Dance Track. And Mr. and Miss Dian, the Iligan Open Muscle Showdown. I think this is new also, murang wala sa inyo siya last year. Papakanaog, we have that from last year also. What else do you see that's new this year, Sir Jay, compared to last year?
Alright, so may butag sa tanan, no? Basically, what we're focusing right now is to venture on into more of a national and open categories ng mga competitions. Actually, we have medyo quite pila po din siya. Like number one, we have the Dragon Boat, which is a national competition. We also have, or we're hosting the national tennis competition. Even the half marathon is also national event. We're really focusing on national events. Why? It's because ang focus ni City Administrator, which is also the END Chair, is to have a bigger impact this time. Last year, daghan kaayo tag events, but with this year's focus is bala dili kayo na nakadagang events, but we're actually making a higher number of foot traffic or visitors or tourists here sa Iligan. That's why we're really hosting bigger events. So you might think na kaning tennis, it's actually just simple events, but this is a national level of competition. So we're expecting each of the national event to at least attract mga siguro around additional 5 to 15,000 of tourists from that. And given the fact na this is not just about getting national events, but we're also focusing on cultural events. Kay we would like to to market yung Iligan as a tri-people city. And despite of the katulad ng mga events na daghan na kaayo murag nawala ang atong identity as DND. So as the ENB Chair's focus, aside from getting a big traction of number of tourists, we're also highlighting our culture and tradition here in Iligan. So we have around 60 approved events and activities for DND. And aside from that, we have our celebrity guests and artists po. So I think it's safe to reveal naman na kaya we have paid the down payment already. So pwede na ta. We have like this band. We also have the Sponge Cola. We have the Ones. We also have Donita, Nose, and Tekla pang pa-hype sa tuang mga events. Yes. We also have Regine Tolentino as part of our dance fitness Zumba. It's part of the September 1 na silang part sa opening salvo. Actually, hindi siya part, but they have a separate event and na-schedule yun si Regine Tolentino, Miss Regine, sa September 1. And we also have Wowie de Guzman. So we're really expecting a lot of foot traffic, tourists sa Iligan karon. And on behalf of the ENB, we're really excited. We're really hyped. I know that medyo nagkamama pagamay karon, especially sa Mugna, kay dapat pa kayo at manunod. But Sir Richie Rubio as the head of Mugna karon, he's really doing his best na mahuman. And we're also expecting supposedly August 15 ang what they call this, like the soft opening of Mugna. But probably siguro we can move a bit a few days, like 17 or 18. So probably that. So I think that's all for DND. Nakapagyapoy nagapasa og mga activities and events for the DND Festival, but unfortunately, dili na kaayo nato siya ma-prioritize. It's because of the limited budget, and at the same time, we set schedule yun for the proposal. So as much as possible, we'll focus on the katong mga na-prioritize ng events, and hopefully, kung nakapatay, we're actually gathering mga sponsorships, and we're pushing more nga makakuha ko yung dagdaghan. It's because we would really want this event not just memorable, but also more impactful sa tuong syudad. So I think that's all from me.
So following Sir Jay's note, I would like to also tell the hotel and actually the tourist-related establishments to be ready no for the expected influx of tourists. I hope ready na ninyo tanan inyong mga extra beds sa inyong hotel o mga extra tables sa inyong restaurant to accommodate our tourists. And also, you can make offers, promos for our tourists coming in for DND. As for the katong calendar ng gingon ni Sir Jay, of course, the budget is all allocated already since katong July pa, sir, no? We already allocated all the budgets. So, if you want to send your proposal, we can accept it maybe for calendar lang para ma-update inyong events for the promotion. But as for the budget allocation, honestly na allocate na gidamo pa na ng budget. So, yeah, that's it. Any questions?
So I think no, nakataga na taong insight and update kung aha na takaroon sa ato ang update sa ato ang pagpangandam sa DND Festival 2024. So I think, ano na tayo first question.
Hello. Sayon lang ang question, pilay allocated budget for the DND?
Alright, so question ni Ma'am No is how much ang allocated budget for the whole DND Festival? To be exact, the existing youth budget is 11.3 million lang. Very low, gamay lang siya, we're working on it. However, we will be getting additional around 5 to 8 million as a supplemental. Compared to the last year's, the previous budget, mas dakot to gamay ang previous budget compared this year. That's why medyo naapod me challenge a bit of how are we going to allocate this kay with the proposals right now, compared last year, increase ilang mga ipang request ng mga proposal ma. But of course, we would like to cater tanan na naghatag mga proposal, though we cannot assure na makahatag yun sa 100% sa ilang ipakayo, but at least nahatay financial assistance sa ilang mga expected events or ilang mga proposed events. So again, we have an 11.3 original budget for the DND, and we are expecting of additional 5 to 8 million as part of a supplemental budget that will be given to the DND. And of course, we are having the sponsorships. So far, wala pa kayo na materialize tanan na mga civic bisita sa opisina of the, expressing their interest to provide assistance as to be part of an official partner as sponsors. But we cannot disclose yet kay medyo in negotiation pa man tamang kay magiging panikamutan na at least makahatag sila kabog yun. But yeah, that's all for the budget month.
Thank you for that, sir. So I would like just to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Melvin Angon, Mr. Richel, and Sir Roy Burlado of Brigada News FM. Sir, maayong buntag and welcome once again to IMF. So I think another question coming from our media. Yes, the beautiful Miss Chang.
Hello. Good morning, Sir Jay. Good morning, Ma'am Guapa. Si Guapa Jukay, si Ma'am Hana. Sir, earlier you mentioned about open categories competitions or so-called national level competitions. Since it's national, we're expecting contingents coming from different areas of the nation. Do we have like number of contingents or the names of the groups already, or ga-receive pa taan kud karon og mga contingents ani? Like the Dragon Boat, the Pugjukaning event of Dragon Boat, and the half marathon, which is very first din sa Iligan.
Alright, so actually, sakto naman, no? We're also aiming bigger events yun. And as mentioned, nahagitin mga mark first here in Iligan, which I believe our EMB chair is really fond of having mga first in Iligan na mga events. And it's not just gathering mga events nga bago sa Iligan, but we're also planning to institutionalize these events yun. Every year, Iligan would be a spot for these events to be a tourist destination, not just for our beautiful mga waterfalls and food here, but also Iligan could be really part of, siguro part of the sports area where we could really host a lot of competitions like that. So we're for this ma'am, the organizer itself is receiving already mga registrations. As of the meantime, wala pa sila yata na set of numbers, but an estimation, as mentioned kanina, for the Dragon Boat, dili lang man contestants ang one hit. Of course, they have their own families, yung mga friends na mobisita, and would really want to witness the competition. So we're, as mentioned, we're expecting every national event, we're expecting additional 10,000, let's say 10,000 foot traffic or additional tourists per event. So as mentioned, we have quite here, so we're really expecting a lot of people. That's why I want Iligan, sa tanan na itong mga business owners, hotel owners, even our kapulisan, to be, of course, kanang be vigilant po ta, kitaghan yun kaayo ta o mga bisita. We're really expecting a lot. Especially sa Mugna karon, I think they will be planning to have this na mas bigger yun ang numbers. I'm not sure yet with sa mga plans si Sir Richie, but yes, we're really expecting a lot of foot traffic this year.
Ano po isa? Last na lang.
Okay.
Hello. Mwa. Hello.
Ilang naka-microphone mo dito?
Mic.
Considering that we have like visitors coming from different nations, we also have aside sa national kind of events, natin cultural, pero consider na to ang sectors of community sa Iligan. How are the indigenous people going to participate in the activities on the Liandi Festival on this?
So, thank you, Ms. Jang, for your question. Normally, no?
Kompleto na rin akong story.
Hello. So, normally, sa atong opening salvo, involved ang ginaato ang mga IP for the mga ritual, no? So, naagina sila, mo-watch gina sila. As of now, wala sila i-request na event sa amoa, but with my experience last year, medyo late po to sila nag-request of event. So, basin this year late na sila mag-request. Hopefully, they will come to our office, to CAD's office to request, no? And also, tungod sa limited budget, we also tell them na tungod na ay Pakiradyaan Festival and Higaunon Month, we want to highlight their culture also on those months. So, murag i-divide po namo nga, dili na lang sa putanan sa Dianti, ang uban na lang po sa Pakiradyaan, which we were celebrating last month, and nalingaw po kayo ito because daghan po kayo events for that month. We even had the Halal Expo and Halal Awareness. And for the Higaunon month, of course, we will plan for that also. And yeah, we're inviting the IPs and the Maranaos to join us for the Yandi. Please come to our office and let us know kung naamoy ideas for events for celebrating the Yandi Festival. Of course, inclusivity, you're always welcome, and we'll work with you.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much, Miss Hannah. Another question from our media friends. Question from ang atong umaabot.
Good morning, Mama Sir Jay. Good morning, Doc. Good morning, Doc. Actually, na-mention mo, Sir Jay, kanina pa nga, there are events that are first sa Iligan, and our EFB chair, no, si Dr. Manubag, is planning to institutionalize these events. Ang sa ato sa Iligan, ang institusyon na yun sa Iligan, and wherever you go, kung doon ay mga festival, kinigil na ito ang street dancing, di ba? Mao mo siya highlight sa atong event. Although this is organized by an outsider, no? If proper na term gagamit, no? Dili magyud ang city and nag-organize support na si city. Unsay plano sa ato ang silitan sig, because sa ako masagad ko makadungog mga kita ko no sa iligan nag-antos lang ta sa interbarangay, while a smaller city like Tacloban City mo'y atuon sa mga contingents coming from other places. Good last year kay naatay gusa, no? Naatay no, kauswagan. Pero mga nearby na sila, while ang kauswagan, ang Tanggob dunay from Bacolod, no? Or champion sa Mascara Festival. So, di maging compare din tayo ba? I-component city versus a highly urbanized city. At sa yung plano nga support sa EMP para kining brand pagod nga kasabya until now remain, although atong festival brand is already DNP, no? So may plano para mas saleable ba ang ato ang festival, because madungan magudi di nato malikayan nga mag-compare kay madungan magyud. What's the strategy na to sa LGU nga part ha, kay of course no, dako mo trabaho ani sa organizer magyud. What's the strategy na to para attractive si DNP, no? Attractive si DNP compare sa Kalungan nga festival nga tuon sa mga contingents coming from cities who are already identified nga kuan gid ba kanabang dinagko ba, Mascara, Panagbenga, Sinulog, and other. Say atong strategy, sir.
Hello. Okay. Sir, thank you so much for your question. It's very timely. Actually, we had a meeting yesterday with the DepEd regarding the kasadya. I think it goes down or boils down yun kung unsa yun makapaani sa mga kanang contingents. I believe that would be the prize money yun. Despite sa unsa ka gwapo ang festival, kung dako ka prize money, anhiwan yun ka. Currently, sir, we have the by school and we also have the open for intercities nga mga anhi. We allotted an up to 1 million nga cash prize sa katungkod category. Up to, sir, ha, so meaning dili pa na mo ikuan, pero mo na among strategy karon. We're really planning to kada bitang ipagawas nga win up to 1 million. Pero dili yun na siya exact 1 million. So, siguro sa top 3, siguro 500, something. So, a total of 1 million yun ato ipanghatag sa ato ang mga contestants or katungkinsan, and also with the seed money. I believe with the seed money nga naadiri for ani, makabawi na sila. Medyo napay kuan gamay, itubok gamay. Unfortunately, I can't disclose pa karon kay wa pa kay namo na final yun. Supposedly, I have a meeting as well balik sa DepEd with this 11. So we'll just keep you posted, sir, for the update. But again, our strategy is we'll try to make it up na very gwapo kay siya sa mata, bakit kita ka sa, nakuha sa pa-preview Kay, again, DND, it's been a while, bilang na takatuig, dako kita panghata, pero mag-expect magod kang tao, last year, dako to siya, pero maybe this year, gamay na siya pa sila, kay nagkadako, ang mga preparation sa palitunon. So, despite sa gamay atong budget this year, mas gamay siya compared last year, we're really working on sponsorships. Dira mi nangita karon, sir, nga makapadugang yun sa kasadya. Just to give you a budget for the kasadya karon, we're allocating around more than 5 million already for the kasadya state dancing lang. So, muna mo gina-work out karon, sir, sa pricing, katong mga seed money, and then more of the operation na lang dahil. So, muna ko mahatag, sir, a total of around 5 million ang among i-allocate for the kasadya itself.
Okay, pwede panuwag sa no? Since this is illegal media forum, no? Media. So, unsay plano sa EMP? Unsa na ito pag-balance ang local o international promotions? Maybe domestic and international promotions. So, unsay plano? Saan yung pag-balance? Because previous niya po nato ng mga madunggan pa nga dako ko kay budget sa outsider, which is proportionally dako umugod sila og rate. Di ba? So, kana papasabot dito, sana pa balanse mga naa sa tourism promotion nga mga iba mga mga platforms or kanang media companies compared sa local media pod nga share. Like say example, duggan ako nga kay dito ang budget hundreds of thousands while ako na duggan while even sa local media wala na nataging pagtagad maski kamay lang na share sa promotion. No, I'm not actually bringing sa brigada because kanan may no self-sustain man may sa brigada pero kakadunggan ako na sa nga paski kuno naka-share lang ani nga radio station for additional sales po nila in the very first place, nagbalita man sila, nag-promote man sila sa activities while dito hundreds of thousands ang spend diri sa local wala kayo matabaki ang media. Sana ito mag-balance?
So I think you're talking about na kanang mga GMA, sir, no? Kana ilang mga package nga. So, kanang GMA, it's really because naapod sila ginadala nga artista. Maupod ang nakamahal sa ilang package. That's why we also want that to have something new all here in Iligan. But for local media, of course, we are very open to your proposals. Kung na may proposals on what you can do for DND, and then you also need budget. Ideally, katong earlier days, yun unta sa amo ang pag-accept sa proposals. But, can you tell me more what you suggest for the local media to, do for DND?
Actually, ma'am, nakadunggan ako ni, like, last year, there was a proposal, not you, actually, staff ni mo na doon. Doon ba nga, pwede ba may maka-air? Asama ang tubag, yes, pwede ba maka-air? If you have budget, ito na pong i-balance na po nato, kaya naman may mga rate card. All radio stations, or wala naman tayo TV station, maski sa mga print, nakamaginay rate. So, ibase lang nato sa rate. Pero, nahumana lang ang piyesta, wala yun, no? Wala. Pero, regardless, kami sa brigada, nag-promote me. Because this is not for, again, self-sustaining man nga company, no? Dilingon sa kanang paghambog. Kadawat make sales nga, gikan sa gawas, pero naami among sarili nga pamaagi na magkakuan. Pero other stations, nakadunggan ako ni nga reklamo mga, in fact, last year, isa lang ka station na medyo naimulos. And previous one, no? Not during your term, actually, I feel insulted. Hopefully, hindi ni mausap. I feel insulted. Wala kaabot nga naigingon, bukuha mi niya, wala kaabot. Pero dunay taga City Tourism Office, nagasaka sa akong opisina, nagapapirma og canvas. Galingon ko, mahumana man ni. This is a done deal. Dili, sir. Imunani mo ko ni sir. Nangita pag 2 other signatures. It was an insult. Nagkunuhay nag-canvas, pero humana ang piyesta. Diba? So, kami, nagbantay may sa against corruption. Yeah, right at our very own face, there is, ikuan ba, kanang sayong na proseso ba, nagipamukha sa amo. And that is why, so sorry, niyo to go, no, I will not side it. I will not side it. Ibalik natin sa kapadalaan na, okay, believe me, this is not out of jealousy, pero the process is really, really very wrong. Di ginamaw. Kung wala, may problema. Pero doon na di ay, in favor of one media company, dayon para makubra ni ayahan ang bayad, papirmahon mi na other radio station. It is actually an insult. And hopefully, hindi na siya mausap during her time. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for sharing. No, I remember itong nag-ask me sa inyong packages last year for promotion of DND. Murag, I would say, sir, the budget limitations na gid na siya. But the thing is also, Iliganons already expect DND Festival. That's why for local promotions, murag expected naman good siya, sir. That's why we're trying to reach other cities in the Philippines to put in the participants na mo ani sa Iligan. That's why in terms of local media, murag we were thinking sige, for DND, sa kung ano nasa sa national to put in. Kaya more Iliganos already know about DND, they're already expecting na August is like the time for the preparation and everything. So I think that's why. But if only there were no budget limitations, we would promote as much as we want ba, like pag maabot mi sa United States of America, mag-promote for DND. Which is also what we're doing now with Balik Iligan. Yes, sir.
Kamay na ganun, Joy, nakasabot din sa nasabtan na to na. That's why, ang akong term gigamit na, how do we balance? How do we balance kay, sa experience, kung gusto na balance ba? Rest assured, kasabot kayo kay anak, no? Me, myself, no? I think 9 years po ko nga naagin ko sa media promotion with the LGU when I was still with the LGU. So naako rin na, kung sa ko malugay, every year na part na diha. So ang ako lang is, how do we balance kay, kung ba, kanang ba, wa man ba na kasi, naman na yung kinagaan, disabot yun kung may budget. Kaya again, this is an assurance, no? Kung wala yung budget, may problema, kung promote man. In fact, I am thinking of asa ka event na makatapang public. No? Naguna-una niya na kay akong company po, hindi tapon nga asa ta po hindi mo campaign. Kaya again, promotions mo po na in our part. Pero ako ang term na gigamit no, is how do we balance kay ni aman ni ay gihatag pero nga wala maangay sa urban radio station. So, unya pag-abot sa Biliran ay kami ang usa sa mupirma para mabayaran. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Melvin Anggot, no, sa ato ang mga pangutana towards sa ato ang update kung ahanata sa ato ang preparation sa itong DND Festival 2024. So, I think one last question ikan gyapon sa Brigada. Hi, sir.
May buntag ninyo, ma'am. Sir Jay, Pamana, Doc, Richie Lubulo. Ako i-address lang ang mga anak. Bilibong ka mo batin, Sir Jim, no? Ang iligan, every time ano na tayo festivities, well-known good ang iligan, ato mo nag-promote nga kaning ang atong hospitality, no? Maabi-abihon. Kung sa matang andam ang atong magsaulo sa DND Festival nga narapatay napili nga mga inutang pulungan nga hinasasan nga mga tour guides nga will burst siya sa iyahang linya, i-train siya sa tourism, Department of Tourism in coordination sa imong buhatan mga sa City Tourism. Kaya ron, mas madungagan bitaw ang maayong impresyon sa dakbayan. Dili sa imo i-compare na ko when we cover sa international convention sa organic convention sa Kaswagan, months ahead of time nagpili na ang mga ang tourism, Department of Tourism sa mga tour guides ay involved kayo iligan ato. Can we duplicate the activity nga will train ang ato mga tour guides. Labi na sa Tinago Falls. Ako lang i-mention naman na medyo ilaha mato nito. Hindi mato connected sa But, ang atong tourist destination is, one of the tourist destinations is Tinago Falls. I hope na dili mamansahan bitaw ang tourist destination sa lokal nga panagbangi sa mga tour guides porters sa Tinago Falls na among i-tackle po sa brigada. So may ibuhan sa direction na ni karon na makaangkon bitag kanang yung ato kang the cream of the crop kumbaga sa iliganon na tour guides pa nga bisag pag international nga tour guiding kaya niya.
Yes, thank you for your question, sir. So, kani siya, hitabo din siya with more trainings, no, of Department of Tourism. So, for the past year, nag-train man mi ato og tour guides and unfortunately, only 2 ang nagpa-accredit yun sa Department of Tourism. So, we can only do so much from our part. No, we can train, we can give them the assistance, but it's also the guides who really, it's also them kung eager gid sila magpa-accredit, kung eager gid sila mo learn, kung eager gid sila mo improve to make their skills even more. But on our part, we really assist with tour guiding training and accreditation of our tour guides. And also, we the revive po na mo ang Tour Operators Association of Iligan City, who will later on pass on the training from us sa ilang tour guides para po if they hire tour guides, train po sila. If not, dili pa kaya sa capacity sa Department of Tourism to train everyone, at least mapass on po ang training from the ICTOA, Iligan City Tour Operators Association. So we revived that. We already did the officers, and they also started hiring tour guides that hopefully we will train again this year. We're just waiting for schedule sa Department of Tourism kung saan training, kung kano saan training. So hopefully this year we'll have more tour guides to train. In terms of Tinago, I think maybe Ma'am Agnes gave them the opportunity to organize themselves. Kaya di ba naman to sila yung president. So gave them the opportunity to organize themselves and kanang para naa sila chance na mag-generate of income through, actually di pa guna sila tour guides or porters, mangguna sila. We should call them porter and not tour guides. But as I mentioned to you before, nagplano na gid ni Sir Darwin nga ipa-training na po na sila kay para ma-organize na gid because they're operating inside our property. So we are really, we can say na naa sila yung own organization, but we are also accountable for their kanang acts inside the property of Tinago Falls and how they relate to our customers, our tourists. So we really want to train them para ma-filter out na gid kato na lang gid ang mga maayo ang atong ibilin, because I heard na apo jud mga maayo na tour guides dinha, porter dinha sa Tinago nga kuan gid kanang hospitable, friendly, and musturya gid sa tourists, and not lang kanang magsigirag atang og tip murag makalagot po na sila. So mao na ang ato ang i-filter out gid, hopefully with this training that Sir Darwin and I are planning, ma-filter out ditong siguro mga top 40 performers dinha sa Tinago Falls, then sila na gid ang atong pasudlon and maka-access and maka-generate of income from our tourists by porterage services. So,
Pwede ba habol ng safety measures sa
yes, sir. Tinago Falls.
Safety measures ano ma'am? So ito mga tinago kay linamon mo ko niya sa side na Iligan. Ako makita ka kani danglog, no? Danglog niya wala ba tayo karon na i-responder mga tangitas tuma sa ibabaw. May na istorya na ko ma'am na engineer ko na yung suggestion sa Tinago Falls kay danglog man tiles magpudpud yung sa po na pag-design sa una tiles so risky kayo danglog yun mabatanon ka o idadiranon o senior delikado yun. Pero suggestion sa engineer na aron dili masayang kung bakpako na it will take millions of pesos and it will take time. Yung i-suggest na doon ay certain rubber mat na appropriate na butangan o flat screw aron ang agianan padulong sa ubos dili itanglog bisan pa magtini ka. Doon pa kay possibility ma'am na ma-address ni siya considering na medyo we almost run out of time. Thank you.
Sige sir, mag-storya po sa inyong engineer. We'll see what we can do, mga kung ano sa
Amigo na doon ako, pero i-suggest na siya.
Oh, sige.
Makaya man siguro na sa inyong sa City Interaction.
Yes, hopefully. So, yeah, we will try. Thank you for your concern. We will try to address that before.
Delikado magod kung
Yes.
mga foreign tourists mo ang
Agree.
ginapatigas.
Yes, sir.
Mahimo tang istorya sa mo kalimutan na ulog ang turista.
Okay, thank you for your suggestion. We will consider. Back to the Andy.
So, I think atong panel gusto pag-question. So, yes, sir. Last two question na lang kang sir o gikan kan sir para we could be able to proceed sa itong next topic. Thank you.
O dali ng tingpod do kamutan na lang siya no regarding sa preparation sa atong Lian Festival. Pwede ba nato ma-estimate na karon sir pila na ka porsyento ang atong preparation? Dayon sa atong mga activities doon na ba reduction o doon na pag-increase sa activities na atong umabot mo? Salamat sir.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. No? So, as mentioned kanina, we're expecting na mas gamay ang ato ang activities compared last year. I think they have more than 100 activities or events last year. Compared to this year, naratas aron mga 60. So, even though the activities are lesser this year, however, what we can assure is that we can give more number of tourists this year because as mentioned kanina sir, we have more of the national events na we're hosting this time. So we're expecting a lot of tourists, food traffic sa tuang mga aktibidades tibuok bulan sa DND Festival. And when it comes sa percentage of preparation sir, if we say about DND, it is also includes Mugna. So I cannot speak on behalf sa Mugna because there's still ongoing pa nila ang mga buildings at mga booths and everything. But for the Liani Festival itself, what we're I can say that we're around 70 to 80% already. Ang amo na lang yung kulang karon sir is that we can finalize the finances para makahatag ta sa mga organizers so that they can start their events right away nga makakuha na din sa silang budget. So for our end, as part of the EMB and on behalf of the EMB Chair, Dr. Darren Manubag, he's really doing his best na pag na ay mga request paspas ng tanan sa amo nga part paspas ng tanan, naalang yun tayong mga processes nga ginabuhat like for kanang mga pag-request ani nga finances, approval ani. So naalang yun tayong mga gamay nga mga kunatun gamay. Pero with the process right away kung natin mga request, ginabuhat tayo nato. So for the organizers out there, as mentioned, we will be contacting you probably by the end of August. Kompleto na natanan, makastart na ta sa inyong mga events. So, katulang hangyo na ko sa mga organizers na please send us back kato mga contract na among ihatag sila. Okay, it's because aside sa contract, we allocated mga there's a part there sir na part sa aftercare plan kana pagpanglimpyo kay dili mi ganahan nga kada event na iunggaw yun permit di man ginamalikayan pero at least ba organizer mismo dili mo asa permit sa to ang LGU nga palimpyuhon ana-ana. It's because it's part of their responsibility nga maglimpyo sila. So isa po na sa amo ang gina-require sa to ang mga organizers aside sa aftercare plan kana pagpanglimpyo sila ang mga hugaw kana na yung security plan po. So it's part of our preparation. So dili mi ganahan nga mag-meeting lang kunwari sa tuang sa security team, but we also provided a sheet sa atuang mga organizers para maka-plot sila kinsa expected nila nga mga attendees o sa mga buhatonon o sa nga date pila ka book inani. So there's part of the sheet dito sir nga ihatag sa tuang kay Colonel Mutia so that they can assess and plot silang schedule. Kaya ang hitabo mga last year, daghan kitang events which is very good. Daghan kitang events na subibong pupun kaayo ang iligan niya last year sa DND Festival. However, nalay sentiments kamay ang atong kapulisan o other security team kay ang ilang deployment ba kalat-kalat. So dili kay sila ka-focus sa security which is a very crucial thing sa tuang DND Festival na preparation. So this time, especially na ating we're hosting national events na daghan yung kitang expected ng mga food traffic at tourist karon sir. So we're really, kumbaga they're really planning it right now yun. Karon pa lang kabalo na sila asa nila pang-deploy pinaka-bukay. Because we required katong mga organizers, the deadline nila around I think mga July 30 pa lang naghatag na sila og security plan. So kana sir, for the D&D preparation, we're about 70 to 80% already. Budget na rin kulang na to sir para mahatag sa the organizers. And then for the Mugna, mo lagi to sir, they're still preparing and they're still constructing katong itong mga booths sir. So I cannot speak on behalf of Sir Richie Rubio, but hopefully kay our targeted soft launching is August 15, but siguro mas mga 17, 18 or kana lang before around third week siguro makastart ta sa to ang soft launching sa dili sa Mugna. Kay mamagot yung nahitabo nga dito ta sa Ludo din, nabalik mo ta sa KCC, so medyo nakuha na ilang trabaho pa, nadugangan gamay. So sige lang, at least nalipay ta, nga i-offer gyapon ni KCC o mas accessible gyapon siya sa katauhan labi na sa itong mga bisita. So mao lang to sir, salamat.
Thank you so much, Sir Jay. So one last question, gikan sa ato ang kauban sa media for updates atong D&D Festival. Alex, sir, maulog ka.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm John Enriquez for News.tv, online media. Ang among platform na ang coverage will be live in YouTube. So sa YouTube na mo aming may pamang viewers mo, nakapa sa mga 90,000. Then, kanan siya, ang concern insert dito sa among program sa Forum News.tv. Ang yan programming is like, parera ka sa radyo, broadcasting, doon ay gamay nga komentary, may nana. So, kato si Sir Richard, nag-present sa Tinago Force. So, karon, naway t-shirt. Naway t-shirt, sir. Okay, so naway t-shirt. We are promoting some of the waterfalls in Gigan City. No? Pero, ang Tinago Force is divided mo sa boundary sa Lena Mulaga Norte o Gigan City. So that's why sa mo ang t-shirt promotion na Iligan City na po linamon nga t-shirt. Now, isa na po ang akong concern is about tourism is one of the mechanisms for economic development. Now, isa ang gitanaw is ang street dancing competition. So, doon na ba'y posibilidad na ang open siya, open or local lang siya, or open siya national. At sikat ako lang tingin mo na kung buwan, akong istorya. Ako lang follow up tong concern ni future Consial Melvin Anggot. Ang kabahin sa paano sa promotion, ang media is one of the tawagan kining isa sa mga instruments to promote tourism. So isa na siya. Now, without the media, isa pa kung sa activity namin diyan, wala na siya. Ang important is, i-accredit mo ba ang local media sa tourism office or kaya katong yung istorya nga, pwede ba mag-buhat ang proposal na ang local media pwede siya maka-access o isa kami ng budget no, para sa ilahang pong promotional. Not only focus on the national media but also the local para matayang yung mga balansi. Thank you.
Thank you for your question, sir. Yes, first answer, open category. That's what Sir Jay discussed earlier na patapon ang price to entice the other performers to join our Kasadya street dancing. So yes, there is an open category for this year as well, the same as last year. As for media budget, yes, there is a good. If you had proposed earlier before the budget was allocated, yes, we were able, last year actually Sir Richel Umel was able to get budget from us to publish sa Daily Inquirer, di ba sir? Atong So yes, if you're proactive enough to ask for budget and there is budget available, then we are more than willing to give you if your proposal aligns with the chairman's goals. Yes, sir. Both answers, yes.
Thank you so much. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mao kato ato na dugan ang mga update at pagtubag sa mga pangutanya sa ato mga media partners dinhi sa Iligan Media Forum. Ato siguro pakpakan si Miss Hannah at si Sir Jay Dactino. Daghan kaayong salamat, ma'am and sir or ma'am sa job. No? Daghan kayong salamat for gracing us our panel for today's Iligan Media Forum. Daghan kaayong salamat. So one last thing, parting message or invite ato atong mga Iligano ng atong mga kapwa.
Okay. So, sa ato ang mga viewers that we're actually excited, again, as part of the EMB and on behalf of the EMB Chair, Dr. Darwin J. Malubag, we're really excited this year. It's because, again, this is not just about celebrating Bihandi, but this is also creating an impact and highlighting traditions and culture of Iligan. So, I know nga every year nag-celebrar man yun ta sa itong Bihandi Festival, but this time, we're really looking forward that we could impart a better events. I'm not saying dili ito pa itong mga previous na mga events, but this time, we're really looking forward nga we would like Iligan to be marked as a venue for hosting national events. And this time, we also have a lot of events na hoping nga we can institutionalize kumbaga every year na alagin siya sa Iligan. So, would like to invite everyone to celebrate with us and explore more. Kay dili man tanan Iligano nakakabadog yun nga unsa yun dili man tanan. So even I before wala kay ko ka-explore yun unsay what Iligan can really offer. But this time, we're expecting that we have a higher number of tourists and food traffic. So, hangyo lang ako sa tanan mga organizers to comply sa ang mga requirements sa LGU on organizing your event because we are really supportive of all the events that you propose to us. And we think and we believe nga kani nga mga events that you can handle and manage well, and kani nga mga events could really be part of all nga tao nga mo join and to celebrate with Bihandi. So let's enjoy and let's be excited sa to upcoming Bihandi Festival. Thank you.